Subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your iPhone unresponsive screen. So for solving this error, you just need, if you have iPhone 6s or older, you just need to press home button and power button in one time and just wait until you see here logo of Apple. If you have iPhone 7 or newest, you just need to press in the same time this button the lock iPhone, and just low of volume. So just press these two buttons for some time and just wait until you will see it will automatically hard reset your iPhone. So here you can see that I make hard reset of my iPhone. So that's how it works. So just press make lower of volume and just lock button and just press it for one time in one time and just wait some time until you will see logo. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.